All right, we should be recording now. Let's see. Let me get over here. Right? Let's keep going. My two hands. All right. Ready, everybody? This should be easy enough. Get this off, out of the way. And I would think putting this on its side would be the easiest way to get it out of here. So let's try that. Whoop. Let's get this little thing. What's this? Accessories. See? Accessories. We'll put that aside before we open into that. Put this just like this. Let's see. Yeah, this. So we've got more things inside here in the box. Take them out. Put them over here, out of the way. So as you see, I get it on its side right now, and I'm by myself. I'm just going to do it piece by piece, make it lighter. And we'll look at those things. What else is in here? There's something else in here. Did that come out? Yeah, a few more things. Yeah, we got one of these. And we got what else we got? Oh yeah, we got this thing. Huh? Look at that. All right, and what else we got in here? Well, that looks like not everything, but one more piece. What's this? And we got one of these. So we'll open those after I get this main piece out of the box. So, what I'm going to do is just push this piece of cardboard forward, okay? So, that should be easy enough. And then what I'll do is I will just slide this piece this way off the main piece of cardboard, huh? The same over here. I will come up to this piece, this end right here, huh? And let's open it. Let's push it this way, rather. Alrighty. Look, another one of these. Fascinating. Alrighty. Now that we got this bottom piece of cardboard off, easily enough, there is some weight to it, so you want to be careful. You don't want to hurt yourself. Nope. Okay, so now that's that piece. Alrighty, and then here we are. Now with this, let me slide it back into the camera view. I believe that might just be out of range of the camera. So, let's slide off one end. Get that cardboard out of the way. Yep. Then we will slide off the other end. Yep. Give it a lift first. Pull off the end piece. There we are. Alrighty. All these things and parts and pieces here. Okay, here we go. Laying that down just like that. And get this stuff out of the way. And this piece, and that piece, and whoa! Look at this! Look at this! Look at it! Can you see it? Can you see this? Look at how that's just wrapped around there. This must be the pulley for pulling on. Just get that bubble wrap off there. Oh yeah. Hey, anybody else like bubble wrap? Here, hold on. Yeah. Oh. Satisfying, huh? Okay, enough of that. Oh, look, another one. Come here. Whoop. Come up there. Pull through that. Now here we go, a little more bubble wrap. Yeah. Oh, Yeah, one more turn. Yeah, satisfying. Okay. Now, we get some more styrofoam. A little bit more padding here with the cardboard. Well, I suppose I should take a minute to look at these parts here. I mean, you get your this bracket, and you get your that bracket, and you get your cushions. Let's see what this is. Yep, it's another cushion. Neato! We want to be comfortable while we get out of our comfort zones, don't we? Oh, look at this one. Another one over here. Alright. Take that off. Get that ready. Toss that over there in that box. Alright. A couple more cushions. Marvelous, just marvelous. Alrighty. Put those there, that like that. Now the last thing we're going to look at are the instructions, right? Because we're stubborn and we can figure this out. Oh boy, or can't we? Can't we? Let me look at the manual once. So we look at the bottom of it here and we have some more styrofoam to come off here. Just pull that off, it comes right apart. Nothing to it, comes right off. What's this? Another piece of cardboard. Alright then. So, let's see here. This thing's attached to that thing, and this thing is tie wrapped together. So actually I might have to cut the tie wrap. Nope, I don't. Okay, so that's just going to come right up just like that. And here we go. More parts! I actually don't need these on right now. I'll be fine. I'm not reading anything. It's just a little fuzzy. Put these aside. Put that aside. That over there. Let's get this out of here. Up, get up. Okay, so it's pretty well packed. No problems there. Use our fingers to just pull through this styrofoam easily enough. Come on now. Come out of there. Alrighty. Come on out of there. Alright. Come on. Alright. I gotta get something to cut those tie wraps out of here. And then we'll take a look at the next step in a moment. First, what I'll do, let me put this back down now. And open these parts up here. Let's see. Open Sesame. All right. I got one of those. With one of these. Oh, there we go. There's the instructions, which we'll read last, right? Because like I said, we're stubborn. We're smart. We don't need no directions. I recommend you probably should read a manual. I probably will. Alright. Come on, open Sesame. Alrighty. Now we get two of those. Alright everybody, I'll be back in a moment. Alright everybody, so here it is all set up. Opened up and set up and works great. It was very simple to do. There's a lot more thorough guidelines on how to do it out there. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and show you guys, you know, how it comes with the Total Gym Fit. There's plenty of training guides here on how it all works and all these different methods. This whole book of yeah, the wing set's different here. If I were to zoom in real quick, see how number 9 looks? You might see videos out there of this wing section. This came in multiple parts. Here, let me show you real quick. It comes in separate parts so you can do more dynamic exercises. They're all in the guide that come with it. There's so many, and this machine is amazing with what you can do with it once you set it up. All your different pins, these are important. These are important. Make sure you got these. So that's pretty much it for the Total Gym Fit. It's an awesome machine. Thanks for watching my videos, everybody. I'll put a link in the description below if you like to buy one. Bye-bye.